Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day. Today I'm going to be talking about step number 8 of the 10 keys. Assume the close. Customers don't close themselves. You have to close them. In many cases, many of us, when we're out on the field, we really think after pitching the customer, they will just like the product. They will just buy the product for themselves. No, it's not going to happen that way. You need to close them. After pitching them, you just need to assume they are taking the product. It also goes with the questions you are asking. That's when it's showing you are assuming they are taking the product. The goal of your pitch is to close the customer. Closing the customer is assuming they are taking, as I've said earlier on. It's going to come with a question you ask. How many people are you covering? Going to start with you or your wife, or you're going to start with your kids? Remember, you're going to be nervous to close in the beginning. It is normal. Fake it until you make it. Being nervous is natural. Being nervous, it's okay. Fake it. Remember, the customer doesn't know any better. They don't know. You don't know how to close properly. But if you're faking it, eventually you will get it right. Closing is like driving a car. The more you do it, the better you get. It's a practice. Also, for you to be able to get good in closing or assuming the close, start by practicing in the office. Don't just expect you'll be able to close customers on the field. When you're doing one-on-one practice or one-on-one pitching in the dialer, or in the office, make it a point you start closing there and there. It shouldn't be you only think you're going to close only if you pitch a real customer on the field. Practice with your trainer in the office. No does not mean no. It means maybe. Overturn a minimum of 3 objections. Some of the customers, when they say no, yes, they are really saying no. But also on the other side, they really want to know and understand, are you serious about what you're saying and what you're doing with the pricing, with the benefit? Or you're just testing them? So that's why it's very important to make sure you understand. No does not mean no. It means maybe I may buy the product if you explain for me properly. Maybe I may buy the product if you close me properly. Maybe I may buy the product if you give me the reasons why must I have the product. Overturn a minimum of 3 objections. Very important. If you overturn more than 3 objections, the customer may end up giving you wrong details because they are just pushing you away. They may end up giving you wrong debit order date because now they can see you're not willing to listen. You're not taking no as an answer. So definitely make sure you overturn only 3 objections. You can't close everyone. Very important. You can't close everyone. That's why it says, in the law on our drop sheet, we need to speak to 65 people because we know and we understand. You can't close everyone. You need to apply and trust the law of averages. Just because a customer is friendly and easy to speak to does not mean that they are a buyer. If somebody's being nice to you, they don't really say it to you, close me, I'm taking it the product, is it easy? No. Some people will be nice because they don't want to give you the objection. Some people will be polite because they don't want to really make you negative. So it shouldn't be when you come across with those people now, you take advantage of them. Remember to assume the close while you're applying law of average. Each and every no brings you closer to a yes.